Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizka Sari. Today I will explain about how young children learn English as another language. They have the ability to imitate pronunciation and work out the rules for themselves. Any idea that learning to talk in English is difficult does not occur to them unless it's suggested by adults. Children shall probably learn English academically at a later age through grammar-based textbooks. Next, the advantage of beginning early. Young children are still using their individual, innate language learning strategies to acquire their home language and soon find they can also use these strategies to pick up English. Young children have time to learn through play-like activity. They pick up language by taking part in an activity shared with an adult. They firstly make sense of the activity and then get meaning from the adult's shared language. Young children have more time to fit English into their daily program. School programs tend to be more informal and children's minds are not yet cluttered with facts to be stored and stressed. They may have little or no homework and are less stressed by having to achieve such standards. Stages in picking up English. Silent period. When babies learn their home language, there is a silent period. When they look and listen and may communicate through facial expression or gestures before they begin to speak. When young children learn English, there may be a similar silent period when communication and understanding may take place before they actually speak any English word. Beginning to talk. After some time, depending on the frequency of English sessions, each child, girls often more quickly than boys, begins to say single words. Example, cat, house, or reading my short phrases. What's that? It's my book. I can't. That's a car. Time to go home. In dialogues or as unexpected statements, the child has memorized them, imitating the pronunciation exactly without realizing that some may consist of more than one word. This stage continues for some time as the child picks up more language, using it as a shortcut to dialogue before they are ready to create their own phrases. Building up English language. Gradually, children build up phrases consisting of a single memorized word to which they add words from their vocabulary. Example, a dog, a brown dog, a brown and black dog. Or a single memorized language to which they add their own input. Example, that's my chair, time to play. Depending on the frequency of exposure to English and the quality of the experience, children gradually begin to create whole sentences. Understanding. Understanding is always greater than speaking, and young children's ability to comprehend should not be underestimated, as they are used to understanding their home language from a variety of context clues. Frustration. After the initial novelty of English sessions, some young children, especially boys, become frustrated by their inability to express their thoughts in English. Others want to speak quickly in English as they can in their home language. Frustration can often be overcome by providing children with performance speech, like I can count to 12 in English, or very simple rhymes which consist of ready-made phrases. Children shall not be told they have made a mistake, because any correction immediately demotivates. Mistake may be part of the process of working out the grammar rules of English or They may be a fault in pronunciation, an opportunity to hear the adult repeat the same pitch of language correctly. They will self-correct in their own time. Gender differences. Sometimes mixed classes make little provision for boys, who may be overshadowed by girls' natural ability to use language. If young boys are to reach their potential, they need some different language experiences with girls, and their achievements should not be compared with those of girls. Language learning environment. Young children find it is more difficult to pick up English if they are not provided with the right type of experiences accompanied by adults supervising parentage technique. Activities are accompanied by adult language, giving a running commentary about what is going on, and dialogue using adjust parentage language. English sessions are fun and interesting, concentrating on concepts children have already understood in their home language. In this way, children are not learning two things, a new concept as well as new language, but merely learning the English to talk about something they already know. Reading. Children who can already read in their home language generally want to find out how to read in English. They already know how to decode words in their home language to get meaning from text and, if not helped to decode in English, may transfer their home language decoding technique and end up reading English with the home language accent. Parental support. Children need to feel that they are making progress. They need continual encouragement as well as praise for good performance, as any success motivates. Parents are in an ideal position to motivate and to help their children learn, even if they have only basic English themselves and are learning alongside their young children. Okay, this all from me explains about how young children learn English as another language. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.